Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Sumi. In this video, we are going to find the curl of curl vector A, where vector A is given as xy I plus y square zj plus z square yk. Okay, so I'm just gonna write the vector A, xy I plus y square zj plus z square yk. Okay, so curl, first we'll find the curl of vector A, which is equals to, we can find it using the determinants I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and now x, y square z and z square y. Okay, so now after finding the determinants I, this is going to be differentiating partially with respect to y. So it's going to be z square minus differentiating partially with respect to z. So this is going to be y square, correct? Minus j. So leave this column, leave this row. We are going to have differentiating partially with respect to x. So this is going to be 0 minus differentiating partially with respect to z. So this is going to be 0 plus k. So leave this column, leave this row. So this is going to be 0 and this is going to be minus x. Correct? Now if we simplify this, curl of vector A is going to be z square minus y square I minus 0j minus xk. Right? Now curl of curl vector A, we are going to find this. So I, j and k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Now I have z square minus y square, 0 and minus x. So if I am differentiating this, defining the determinant, differentiate partially with respect to y, 0 minus j, leave this column, leave this row. So this is going to be differentiate partially with respect to x. So this is going to be minus 1 minus differentiate partially with respect to z, 2z. Okay, plus k. So now 0 minus 2y. Done. Now 0I, curl of vector A, minus into minus, this is going to be, I'll just multiply this minus inside. So I will have plus 2z plus 1j plus 2yk. Okay, so this is going to be, this is what, this should be curl of curl A. So curl of curl vector A is equals to 0I plus 2z plus 1j plus 2yk. Hence, this is the answer. So here what is given? Curl of curl vector A, where this is vector A is given as this. So first find the curl A. Okay, here is a curl A. Now find the curl of this curl A. To find the curl of this curl A, again find the determinant. If you find the determinant, again you will get the curl of curl A. So hence, this is the answer. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, subscribe and give a thumbs up. And if you have any doubts, just write it down in the comment section.